Hello, good morning, children. Our lesson for today is about multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers by 1 to 2-digit numbers. Of course, with me, Mama Rita. Okay, class. Let's do the multiplication by skip counting. Okay, start from multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Multiples of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Class, let us recall the basic of facts of multiplication. Of course, the multiplicand, the multiplier, and the product. Let us try to multiply 3-digit by 1-digit numbers. 304 times 5. Is it A, 1,520, B, 1,550, C, 1,502, D, 1,530? What is your answer? Of course, letter A, 1,520. Correct. Okay, class. Number 2. 512 times 7. 512 times 7. Is it A, 3,594, B, 3,574, C, 3,584, D, 3,564? What is your answer? Correct. It's letter C, 3,584. Correct. Number 3. 453 times 6. 453 times 6. Is it A, 2,781, B, 2,718, C, 2,728, D, 2,738? What is your answer? Correct. Letter B, 2,718. Number 4. 633 times 4. 633 times 4. Is it A, 2,542, B, 2,522, C, 2,552, or D, 2,532? What is your answer? Of course, absolutely, letter D, 2,532. Correct, class? Okay, class, let us have our problem solving. Edison helps his parents in harvesting mangoes in their orchard. He puts all the harvested mangoes in 32 baskets, with each basket containing 312 mangoes. How many mangoes are harvested in all? Okay, first, who helped his parent? Of course, Edison. Edison helped his parents harvesting mangoes. What is asked in the given problem? Okay, they asked how many mangoes are harvested in all. So we are going to find the number of mangoes harvested in all. When we talk about in all, meaning addition and continuous addition, that is multiplication. So what are the given? So how many baskets are there? Of course, 32 baskets. And in each basket, how many mangoes? We have 312 mangoes. And we are going to multiply these two numbers to be able to find the number of mangoes harvested in all. Are you ready? Okay. Now, class, the number sentence in the given problem now is 312 times 32 is equal to n. Using the short method without regrouping, we will do step-by-step multiplying numbers. First, multiply 312 by the ones digit in the multiplier. So the multiplier is 32 and the multiplicand is 312. We're going to find the first partial product. Okay? So again, multiply 312 by the ones digit, which is 2. Meaning, 2 times 312. And the partial product is equal now to 624. To continue, class, using short method, step number 2 is multiply 312 by the tens digit in the multiplier. And the tens digit in the multiplier is 3. Now, don't forget to leave the ones by 0. Okay? Because we are going to multiply the tens digit. And we don't have now ones. So, in partial product 2, we put 0 first before getting into multiplying numbers. Meaning, 30 times 312. Okay. And the last step now, class, is add the two partial product. Again, add the two partial product. By adding the two partial product, we will now get the final product of 312 times 32 is now equal to 9,984. Okay, the number of mangoes are harvested in all is there are 9,984 mangoes harvested in 32 baskets. So now, class, what if the numbers are getting to, we need to regroup. Okay, so here is one of the problems that we can encounter. I will read it for you. There are 945 members from Barangay 777. If each member contributed 35 packs of noodles affected by the granular lockdown in the barangay, how many packs of noodles were collected? So the question is, how many packs of noodles were collected? And we have 945 members in barangay and 35 packs of noodles. So we are going to multiply that two numbers to be able to find the number of packs of noodles were collected. Are you ready? Now class, the number sentence is 945 times 35 is equal to n. Using the short method with regrouping, we will do step by step again. Number 1 is to multiply 945 by 5 ones. Meaning, multiply the ones, which is 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? Then next, carry 2 and then bring down 5. Multiply now 4 tens by 5 ones. Then add the regrouping 2 tens, which is 5 times 4 is 20. So we are going to add 20 by 2, which is 22. Now we have carry over 2 and bring down 2. Now next, multiply 9 hundreds by 5 ones. Then add the regrouping 2 hundreds, meaning 9 times 5 is 45 plus 2 is now 47. Our partial product 1 or the first partial product is 4,725. Did you get it? Continuing the process, class, so we have step number 2, multiply 945 by 3 tenths. By doing that, so we have multiply 5 ones by 3 tenths. So just remember that put a 0 on the ones place for our second partial product. Now, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Then carry 1 from the tens place and then bring down 5. Next is to multiply 4 tens by 3 tens. So, 3 times 4 is 12. By adding 12 at the carry 1, so we have 12 plus 1 is 13. Then, carry 1 from the hundreds place and then bring down 3. Next is to multiply 9 hundreds by 3 tenths. Then, add the regrouping 1,000. Okay. By multiplying 9 times 3 is 27. Then, 27 plus 1 is 28. The second partial product now is 28,350. And to be able to finish the step, in step number 3, add the two partial products. By adding the two partial product, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 7 is 10. So carry 1 from the thousands place and then bring down 0. Next is 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1 from the 10,000 place and then bring down 3. Lastly is to add 1 plus 2 is 3. Now our final product is 33,075. Did you get it, class? Okay, very good. Okay, by answering the question, the number of packs of noodles were collected. So there are 33,075 packs of noodles were collected in all. for your asynchronous, use the price list to compute the cost of each order. So we are going to use the peso sign here. For mango, we have 62 pesos per kilo. For oranges, we have 25 pesos per pieces. And for guava, we have 31 pesos per kilo. Dalanghita or dalandan is 45 pesos per kilo. And lastly, apple is 31 pesos per pieces. Okay, so just complete the cost of order for the quality number 1 mango, 243 kilos order. Guava, 211 kilos per order. And then apple, 156 pieces. For oranges, we have 410 pieces. Dalanghita is 524 kilos. Just don't forget to turn in our Google Classroom. Okay, for that, have a wonderful day. Class, thank you very much for listening. Hope you understand our lesson for today.